Hey, fellow realtor, are you striving for financial freedom in 2024? Have you considered working with eXp Realty? Well, stay tuned as we unravel and unfold truth about achieving financial freedom with eXp Realty, a truth that could actually change your life forever. Hello and welcome to my video channel. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. And in this video, we're going to talk about how realtors are achieving financial freedom this year by working with eXp Realty. And I've actually got a special tip for you at the end that's sure to make you more money. So let's not waste any time and get started. To become really financially free, you need a transition strategy from the day-to-day transactional money to passive income. Transactional business means, in essence, that you start every day broke and are forced to go and make hundreds of calls until you find that next piece of business. And then it starts all over again tomorrow. An agent's income isn't stable or even guaranteed. And the minute you stop finding buyers and sellers, the income stops. That's why you need this transition strategy. And the strategy is called stock ownership and revenue share with eXp Realty. Through stock ownership, you're an owner in the company. You don't rent your business from your brokerage. And if we have to put this in real estate terms that we tell our buyers all the time, stop renting, which builds someone else's wealth, and start owning so you can build your own wealth, right? So revenue share is also your exit strategy from the daily real estate transaction grind. It's your passive income and generational wealth builder. All you have to do is help build eXp Realty. You earn passive income through helping other agents realize that by owning their business and earning back the money that they currently are paying their broker, their passive wealth building and day-to-day income stream is unlimited. And when they join eXp and they do their real estate business, then you get paid by eXp as a thank you for bringing great agents to their company. It's pretty simple. eXp Realty gives you the ability to keep almost all of your transactional income, rewards you with stock ownership for your production milestones, and pays you to help grow the company. And with a sustainable business model that keeps eXp Realty debt-free and agile to shift with every change in the real estate market, why wouldn't you want to take a look? Your real estate business, however, isn't just all about the money. It's also about knowing that you have solid leadership whose vision and focus is on you, the agent. Glenn Sanford started eXp Realty back in 2009 after having massive success as a real estate agent and an entrepreneur. eXp Realty is one of the fastest growing real estate brokerages in the world, and it's known for its unique cloud-based platform. Their one-of-a-kind business plan focuses on agent ownership, revenue sharing, and a competitive commission structure. And this is where the old-fashioned brokerages just don't stand a chance. They have to pay for brick and mortar, franchise owners, managers, staff, equipment, and so on. And the agent's the last one to benefit from any profit. So most of these traditional brokerages don't offer stock ownership either, so you'll never really have a say in how the company is run. In your current brokerage, is there friction or animosity because everyone's getting a deal except you? And typically these are a secret because they don't want everyone to find out, because if everyone found out, they'd all want the same deal, and that's not a sustainable business model. Well, at eXp Realty, everyone's treated the same. Everyone has the same deal, and no one's left out. We all win together. Now, here's the bonus tip for making more money with eXp Realty: networking. Our cloud-based approach offers a unique way to connect and work together, which means you have access to top producing agents in every market at any time for free. At my old brokerage, I was doing the training and helping new agents, but no one was elevating my business unless I wanted to pay hundreds of dollars to attend an outside training. My move to eXp Realty allowed me to talk to real estate agents from all over the world, share ideas, learn from each other, and even work together on deals, all for free. And as you network, collaborate, and share, you meet more people. It's a numbers game, really. The more people you meet, the more influencers you'll connect with, which leads to more ideas and opportunities that you'll have to grow, train, and reach heights that you never thought were possible, both personally and in your business. Remember that in real estate, your network is what makes you money, and it helps you be seen. So take advantage of the chances to network that eXp Realty gives you to speed up your path to financial freedom. If you'd like to know more about eXp Realty, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos, and follow me on all my socials. And if you liked this video, then make sure that you hit the like button and click on the other boxes on the screen to see my other videos too. Comment down below, or if you have any questions, I will definitely make sure that I answer them. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate, and we love what we do, and we want you to love what you do too. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.